I'm going to go over the steps to replace a single pole switch. A single pole switch will have on and off on the lever, and there's only going to be one switch that operates your light. Make sure you turn off the electric to the circuit you're working on and double check it with an electrical tester. A shock under the right conditions can be deadly. What's great about a single pole switch is it's just a break in the hot, so I can connect either hot wire to either screw terminal. If you're in an area that uses conduit and the electricians are pulling wire, the hot wires can be any color except white or green. In this case we have a red and a yellow wire for our hot wires. If you're in an area that uses non-metallic cable, your hot wire is going to be black or red. For this project, I'm working in the Chicago area. We have metal boxes connected to metal conduit all the way back to the service panel. We don't have a ground wire. When I connect my screws into the metal box, that's our ground path for safety. If you're in an area that has non-metallic cable, you're going to have a bare ground wire. Make sure you connect that to the green grounding screw. If you're connecting your wire to screw terminals, you'd want your loop in a clockwise direction. When you tighten down the screw terminal, it's going to tighten the wire around the screw. Once your wires are connected, then screw it into the box. When you screw your single pole switch into the box, you want to make sure that on is up and off is down. Once the switch is in the box, turn your electric back on and then test the switch.